Number 5, episodes may last several minutes. While most instances of sleep paralysis are short, lasting a few seconds, some can last up to a few minutes. It's actually possible for them to last even longer than this, but with a lower likelihood. 6, it is remembered clearly. Because the mind is alert during sleep paralysis, the experiences are remembered. The details are often terrifying and terrifyingly clear. Regular dreams and nightmares are usually forgotten or quickly fade. This is because to the unconscious mind, the details are considered unreal, thus unimportant. Having a waking dream is upsetting because differentiating the real from the unreal is now difficult. To add to the clarity of memory, sleep paralysis also evokes strong emotions like fear, and we tend to recall such conscious emotions with more clarity. 7, hallucinations are common and often scary. Sorry, no unicorns or rainbows. As if the concept of sleep paralysis wasn't unsettling enough, reports from many sufferers explain that along with the suffocating pressure felt on their chests, they also see an ominous figure, like a demon or a monster sitting there. Imagine that situation. You're unable to move, there's a demon crushing your chest and watching you, and on top of it all, you can't tell if it's real. Terrifying. The high level of consciousness occurring during sleep paralysis might be the reason for the hallucinations, causing scary dreams about monsters to seem like visions. 8, it happens in REM sleep. Most of our dreams take place in a stage of sleep called rapid eye movement, or REM. This stage is generally reached an hour and a half after falling asleep. We cycle through REM sleep a few times over the course of a night, with each time in REM getting longer, which is what makes it more likely to continue into brain wakefulness, which of course usually happens closer to morning. 9, it is genetic. Maybe that odd uncle wasn't so odd. If you have a family member who has experienced sleep paralysis, then your chances of experiencing it are higher. This shows that there may be a link between sleep paralysis and genetics. The Journal of Sleep Research completed a twin study and concluded that the genetic influence is just over 50%. And 10, it can be prevented. In order to prevent sleep paralysis from happening, it's important to know what triggers it, namely things like sleep deprivation, anxiety, depression, and certain types of medication. There are also several lifestyle habits that help to prevent episodes. Some of these include having a consistent sleep and wake schedule and sleeping environment, which is without uncomfortable extremes. This means quiet, dark, and a moderate temperature. Sweet dreams!